is the title of this project. The paper was Online Modeling and Prefab Layout Definition for Building Renovation. My name is Kepa Iturralde. I work at the Technical University of Munich. Co-authors are Sathwik, Amburi, Sandhanakrishnan, Ravichandran, Samanti, Danya, and Professor Thomas Bock. The project we are working for is called ENSNER, and it's funded fully by the European Commission. So this is the table of contents. So what we are working here is for building renovation with prefabricated elements. What is happening now, so we have three main phases. One is data flow, meaning data acquisition of the existing building, meaning measurements, and we create an BIM or IFC file. With this IFC file, we try to generate automatically the layout of the prefabricated modules. This layout of these prefabricated modules are manufactured offsite in the second phase. And finally, when the prefabricated modules are ready, they can be installed on top of the existing building. And that's the third phase, on-site installation. So the point with this works, so these prefabricated elements normally have a renewable energy, like solar panels and so on. And they need to be very accurate, okay? Because they have also insulation. So the building doesn't get very warm or very cold in summer and very cold in winter. Sorry? Okay, I go on. The thing is, this accuracy requires some sort of, and it's quite a big investment. So the client, the building owner, would like to know in advance before doing any cost, how, if it's profitable for her or for him to do such an investment. That is, and let's imagine that we are a company that is offering the whole service. And if we are based in Chennai and the building is in, I don't know, Bangalore, it's quite difficult to travel to Bangalore anytime we need to do an offer. So it could be very costly. Let's say we should spend maybe 1,000 euros or 2,000 euros just to make an estimation. So we want to avoid that. We want to generate the building model. We want to generate a building model only using geolocated 3D, you're only using OpenStreetMaps. And so what we are doing here is, with the information we can get from GIS or OpenStreetMaps and some pictures, we generate the building model. And with that, we can define how the prefabricated model should be, including the solar panels. Okay, so this is our objective. So I think it's quite clear. So, moreover, we in previous research, very simple building models were maybe without considering the shape of the roof or considering balconies and so on. But in this research, we want to reach level of detail 4, which includes windows, doors, balconies, and shape of the roof. Okay, so with this information from that, we were working mainly in FreeCAD and Python code. We generate with the GIS and OpenStreetMaps and the pictures of the building. We can more or less automatically, not semi-automatically, generate this building model and the prefabricated modules with the solar panels on top. So for that purpose, we are using different technologies and libraries. We were using FreeCAD as a visualizer, but we are changing now to other visualizers and other types of. Basically, now we are generating JSON codes, and these JSON codes we can visualize it anywhere, and by creating IFC files. So, for instance, this is the level of detail we can generate. This is the building model we want to know, and on top we can automatically generate the shape of the solar panels. I didn't say it before, the solar panels are standardized. They have certain sizes. So this size is standard, this size is standard, and they need to be relocated in a given shape. So we work with pictures, also with, in case of a non-flat roof, we work also with orthographic, orthophotos, sorry. My video, why? I don't understand. Maybe later. I don't understand what is going on. Okay, I think I will follow again. With this information, we can also localize the windows more or less automatically. well, actually automatically, and also happens with the balconies. So more or less, this is the scheme process map of the whole process, and we are capable of generating these building models in about 25 minutes each of them. Okay, so this is quite encouraging. And not only the building models, as I said, but also the shape of the prefabricated elements. So as a conclusion, we were using a Python plugin in FreeCAD, and we solved it. And now we need to get better experiences from the users, maybe use it as an app online, and so on. As I said, this was part of the Ensner project. You can check more here. It was financed. It is being financed by the European Commission, and those are the partners also that we are working with. Thank you very much. And maybe you have any question?